In my last video, I showed you how I added a second eco-worthy 100 amp hour battery to my RV. And so today I decided to do a load test and see how it performed by running my DC fridge all night long. So let's get started. I've just got done charging this all the way to the top, and so we're at 14.5. As you can see, the meter is all full, and we're currently putting in about 11 more watts, and that's just the last little bit to top it off. But what I think I will do is go unplug it, and then we'll do a little load test to see how this performs all night long, because it's late at night right now. So I'm going to head on over and unplug, and then I will be right back. So it's unplugged, it's dropped down there a little bit to 14/4, and it'll continue to drop, but let's head on over to, let's go over to the fridge, and we're going to change this to 12 volts. There's gas, and there is 12 volts right there. So now we've got 154 watts going into that DC refrigerator. And let's see how this performs all night long. And this is going to be about 8 hours, so 8 times 2, 1.6. That will be a pretty heavy draw on that if it does 150 all night long. The current time, 9:05. All right. Well, that's going to be a little more than I thought, but we'll see how it goes. Good news. 49%. Let's see what our voltage is. 13.2. And it's still doing a steady 150 watts. That's fantastic. So just about what I thought, about a kilowatt hour. All right, that's very good news. Frozen solid. I'm really pleased with how this has gone. I wish I had a better spot to put this in, but right now I just can't think of anything other than maybe down below. So another thing I'm going to do today is I need to secure this so that it doesn't slide around when I'm driving down the road. So I will do that this afternoon and post a new video of how I'm going to secure it. I've got an idea, and so I will test it, because this really needs to be steady, because if it slides around and you happen to knock a terminal here and there, that would be very bad news. So I'll do that today and then post that video, and then we're just about ready to hit the road with this upgrade. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.